Hi, in front of me is Realme C21 and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device through Bluetooth. First of all, open Settings and click on Bluetooth. Then tap on the switcher and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, tap on the one that you want to connect to. Then select Pair and wait for it to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected, but if you wish to forget this connection, you can always tap on the device, choose Unpair, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!